kit will come a grease gun. You need to do some assembly with the grease gun. First is to thread in the grease nipple. Make sure you don't cross thread it. There we go. Grab a wrench, get that good and tight. Second then is to load it with grease. So first thing is to lock the plunger back. Remove the base of the grease gun. Take your grease tube, perforate the foil on the top, remove the cap off the bottom, put the open bottom side down into the tube. Try not to make a mess. And install it back into the grease gun. Find that lead thread. There we go. Snug that up and then release your spring. Grease gun's ready to go. Before we start, it's a good idea just to purge. Make sure we've got the gun primed. So just pump until grease comes out. There we go. You start to see some grease cleaned out of there. So you can cut that one, that's the grease gun.